Hello everyone. So this video is for all those pharmacists who are facing issues that how we will fill APRO-60 form. So I'm going to show you. So let's start. This is the first page. You will download this form, APRO-60 form. Okay. And there are some parts in this form. So this is section A, provisional registration application. So in the title, suppose you can choose here like this. Okay, and then you will enter your family name, first given name. Okay, so these are the personal details. And after that, what you will do? Okay, the date of birth. So it's very easy. What are your birth and personal details? Okay, so you will put your details over here. Country of birth. Suppose if you are Pakistani, so you can type Pakistan over here. Okay, and city. So this section A is about provision registration application. Section B, proof of identity. Now, how you will fill this one? So, are you applying for registration from outside of Australia and unable to provide evidence from each category? So, here you will choose yes. Okay, this is the correct way. And now, after that, in this part, you can choose foreign passport. Okay, here like this. And you can use, I have used a category B or C document, so you can choose this one. Okay, now you can go to the next page, section C, contact information. So this one is also very easy one. Okay, you can, and this one you can put your all contact details like your mobile number and your email address and your address, home address, and your city or town. Okay, so this one is very easy. And your postal code. And question 7, you will choose yes. Okay, and you will go to the next page. And section, and this question 8, what you will do? You will choose yes. And then you can put all your details about your home address and everything like the previous page, your postal code, your state, your country, and everything. So then after that, there is another section, section D, qualification for provisional registration. So here you will put your qualification details like your bachelor degree. So title of qualification, suppose. So you can type over here, Doctor of Pharmacy or Bachelor of Pharmacy or PharmD. Okay. Then you will put your university name like University of Peshawar. Then your country like suppose Pakistan. And then the start date and completion date. So it will be mentioned on your detailed mark sheet or transcript. So you can put that details. Okay. So the completion date and start date of the degree. After that, additional qualification and examinations. So here you can type KAPS exam. knowledge assessment of pharmaceutical sciences, and here you can type Australian Pharmacy Council. Country, Australia, and start date and completion date. So you will put your details over here. Now, another page, section E. You can just skip this one, this portion, and the section E, registration history. So you will put your registration history, your home country registration history. So you will type the name of your country, like suppose Pakistan, profession, doctor of pharmacy or PharmD, and after that, period of registration. So you will put your details over here. Okay, the registration start date and end date. So it will be mentioned on your registration certificate, so you can mention these details over here. Now, after that, now section G. So in this, what you will do you have any criminal history in Australia? So of course, you will choose here no. And the next question, you can choose no. And after that, in question 14, you will type your reference number and country, suppose Pakistan, and you will enter your that reference number issued by APRA, okay, through email. So this is International Criminal History Check reference number. So you will type that number over here. Now, in the next page, what you will do? Here again, you will enter your details about qualification, like your degree name, doctor of pharmacy, and everything. Like the previous page, your institution name over here. So it will be full time. So you can, yes, you can choose like this. And study commenced. So you will type the date over here. Study commenced on which date? Study completed on which date? So here. And here you will choose tertiary. Okay. And here you will mention the date. So yeah. After that, in question 16, where your results from the English language tests obtained in 1 or 2 settings. So you can choose 1 setting, and if you have not qualified PTE and you have not scored 65 in each modules, and then you can choose 2 settings. So setting 1, you will type the date of the test, okay, and then in question 17, here what you will do, so it's very easy. Which of these English language tests have you successfully completed? So it depends on your test. Okay, so if you have appeared for PTE, so you will choose here PTE, and you will type your registration ID over here, okay, of the setting 1. So just move on to the next page. Were your English, your results from the above mentioned English language test obtained in past 2 years? So yes. Okay, so you will choose here like this. So now question 19. So in question 19, you will choose yes, and in question 20, you will choose no. And after that, in 21, you can choose no, 22, and 23, again no. And after that, in 24, no, 25, no. Now, obligations and consent. So here, you will sign this form and you will type your name over here and then the date. Just move on to the next page. Have you arranged a supervised practice placement? So it depends on you. If you have intern pharmacist job, then you can choose yes. But if you have no job, then you can choose no. So suppose if you have job, then what you will do? So you can choose yes over here, and part B. So you will send these all pages of part B to your manager, okay? And you will sign this section J, Applicants Declaration. So here you will type your name, date, and signature. Section K, premises details. So your manager will fill this section for you. And after that, these are all the details. Who is the proprietor of the premises and everything. Okay, but if you have no job, then you can choose no, and you can just merge these pages with your APRO-60 form. Preceptor details, so your manager will fill this. Okay, and preceptor's declaration, so here your manager will sign this form. Now, the last page, section N, payment. Okay, so here, what you will do, application fee 133 plus registration fee 198. Okay, so you will enter your card details here, amount payable, name on the card. Okay, you will type your name and your MasterCard number, and then the card holder signature and the expiry date. So, and this is the checklist. So which type of documents you will attach to this? So this document, this document, this one, okay, and question 11. So this document and 13 and 14, this one, and after that 15, 17, 18, 15, 17, 18. Okay, so this one, and after that the last one, application fee, registration fee. So this is the way how you will fill APRO-60 form. So you will merge these all pages and you will upload along with all the documents. So I have already made another video on this, which documents are required and what is the whole procedure, how you will apply for APRA registration. So you can also watch that video, and how you will apply for the international criminal history check. So you can also watch that video. I will also attach the links of that videos in the description box. So thank you so much. If still you have any question, so you can ask in the comment section.